Welcome to Sanskaram University, where knowledge meets, innovation and dream takes flight. Our vision and mission is to be a center of excellence in teaching, research, and extension activities. Admissions now open for a School of Law and Legal Studies, School of Basic Sciences and Life Sciences, School of Hospitality and Tourism, School of Medical Allied Sciences, School of Liberal Education, School of Business Finance and Commerce and Biomedical Sciences, School of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry, School of Computer Science and Technology, School of Agriculture, School of Skill and Vocational Courses. The goal of Sanskaram is to provide organized curriculum, in-depth knowledge, develop critical thinking and problem solving, holistic personal growth, provide placement assistance. Campus life. The university campus buzzes with intellectual energy with fully furnished hostel with various silent features. Enroll now at Sanskaram University, paving the path to bright future. Visit now Sanskaram University, 40 kilometers away from Delhi IGI Airport, Delhi NCR, Gurugram, Haryana.